Have you ever dreamed of exploring enchanting landscapes and vibrant cultures? Portugal is a treasure trove of wonders waiting for you. From stunning coastlines to rich history, this country has it all. Let's discover some must-visit places that capture the heart of Portugal. First, we begin in Lisbon. Its colorful streets and historic architecture welcome you. Explore Belém Tower, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and savor a pastel de nata. Next, we travel to Sintra, a fairy tale town nestled in the mountains. Visit the magical Pina Palace, bright with colors and whimsical designs. Now let's head to Porto. Famous for its wine, this city has charming streets lined with cafes. Don't miss the iconic Dom Luís Bridge that connects both riverbanks. Continuing, we arrive in the Algarve, known for stunning beaches and dramatic cliffs. Relax on golden sands or visit the breathtaking Benagil Cave. Finally, we journey to the Douro Valley, a UNESCO site known for terraced vineyards. Enjoy wine tasting amidst spectacular scenery. Throughout Portugal, each destination offers unique experiences. Lisbon's vibrancy, Sintra's beauty, Porto's charm, Algarve's coast, and Douro's peace all captivate visitors. In summary, Portugal is a blend of culture, beauty, and adventure. Each place tells a story and invites exploration. Ready to explore Portugal? Start planning your trip today.